Hi Beach, welcome back to my channel. I am not on a countertop yet. I am working on that, so we don't have to settle for this. Today I will be unboxing a PR box I received from Dolls Kill, my favorite people. I did receive a PR box last year and was so happy with everything that I got, so I'm really excited to unbox this. I do know one item in the box. And thank you so much, Dolls Kill, for making this video possible and all of my other super wonderful fashion experimentation videos. So let's get to unboxing. I struggle. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, oh, they put it in another box again. Okay. Whoops. This is what the PR boxes look like. It's like a big shoebox. Oh, I love that they write a letter. I will read said letter. Hey babe, thank you for being a part of the Dolls Kill fam. We're obsessed with the content you created for us. This is a box of super exclusive merch. Can't wait to see you wearing all of this shit. XOXO Dolls Kill. There you go. I love them. I love these letters. Okay. So we gonna crack this box open. Okay. Next Friday is Dolls Kill's biggest sale of the year, and with every purchase on November 27th, while supplies last, you can get this adorable Dolls Kill bucket hat. Oh, look at that, girl! Okay, I love this. Okay, so we love the hat, obviously. Okay, let's look at the other goodies. We got a bumper sticker. Good girls go to heaven. Bad girls go to Dolls Kill. Obviously, duh. Socks. I'm pretty sure I got white socks last year, but we got some black socks. Oh, sick. Is this a mask? Heck yeah. We got an adjustable mask. Oh my god, I love you guys. This is the second Dolls Kill mask I have, and it's really nice. It's satiny. Nice and smooth. Oh, we got a tiny purse, a tiny shoulder purse. That's so cute. It's like one perfect size for your cell phone. So let me grab my phone. Yep, I was right. Perfect for your cell phone. Love it. And this is the strap, obviously, but yeah. A beanie. Because we love beanies, we love hats. Oh, we got a tank top. Hello. Is this a freaking robe? Oh, a Dolls Kill robe. I'm living my best life right now. That is so awesome. Guys, a robe? Heck yeah. That's everything that is in the box. We should probably try this shirt on, at least. All right, so we got the shirt on. I want to put the socks on. I do have cute feet. So excited. Yes. All I wear are long Nike athletic socks. So these are needed because B, my bunny rabbit, has chewed holes in the heels of my socks. It's one of her favorite treats. Mommy socks. There you go. And let's try on this mask. So the strings on the mask, on the bottom and the top, is the same string. So when you tighten it, it shortens the string, if that even makes sense, which I don't know. All right, guys, there you go. The mask is awesome. It's actually really comfortable. I think it's just because of the soft material. Yes, I tied it over my wig because I'm a lazy girl. Let's put the hat back on. Let's try on the robe. This is a one-size-fits-all robe. The shirt that I'm wearing is a size XL. Hell yeah. Here are the views. Sick. And that concludes this PR unboxing. I loved everything I got as usual. I'm obsessed with Dolls Kill. Make sure you go and shop them on November 27th and you will get this free bucket hat while supplies last. Definitely go check out the sale. If you're shopping for yourself or if you're shopping for your girl, trust me, you will not be disappointed. And I would like to add that Dolls Kill customer service is amazing. I have purchased from them outside of haul related videos and content, so their customer service really is amazing and they ship things very quickly, in my opinion, and based on my experience. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I entertained you with this little unboxing, and remember to watch the curve on your way out.